now.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead.
Yeah. Firstly, I would like to take an issue about why the hostel fees were hiked to 1.35 lakhs. The main reason being that firstly, students were not able to go through the whole term before, because once the lockdown had happened in March, a few months the students did not go through the hostel procedures at all. They were not in the hostel at all. And then now, during the time when it's a pandemic and when parents are actually in stress, the fees have been hiked up to 95,000. And a lot of students, I am not speaking from my perspective or anybody's perspective. We took a general survey with around almost all the students around, and all of them are feeling that 95,000 for the next 6 months is really unfair. So this is the first issue.
Listen, we have not hiked, we have given discount.
Sir, the
We have
price
given
was
discount.
yes, it was hiked from 1.2 lakhs to 1.35 lakhs, and then from it was cut down to 95,000. So still, although if you see it, it's right now 28,000 per month, give or take, and that would not do justification for a lot of students, especially because of the situation that they are going right now. I'm pretty sure you understand that a lot of parents are really suffering right now. Even although you say that Reva has all the facilities, I'm pretty sure 50% or more percent of the parents currently in the college, they will not be able to afford it because the price is firstly high. And although Reva has top-notch facilities of hospitals, tie-up with hospitals, all those hospital costs a lot. Regal Hospital, for example, costs around 30,000 Indian rupees just for having a test there. So 30,000 Indian rupees is kind of very big for a lot of parents, especially the workers and the villagers who are coming to the hospital.
Okay, I will ask you the question, you answer me. Think from my perspective. We, in 12 months, we will be allowed to stay in the campus only 11 months because across the world, 1 month is for maintenance, right?
Yes, sir.
Then 3 months discount you have given. How much it is? 4 months. How many of you people vacated the hostel? Still it is under lock, most of the rooms. We will be getting hardly 7-8 months rent, not 11 months. We are not charging food cost here. Electrical, we have deducted all those things.
Yes, sir, I understand.
My dear friend, we are not here to make money. Still, we are borrowing or pumping money from the business. No organization will do that. We are paying full salaries to our teachers. Here, we have spent a lot of money to upgrade, to receive you people, to create have more space to maintain the social distance. You can understand the concern what we have, how much we have spent here, even though the revenue, that is revenue what is coming from tuition fee or hostel fee is almost came down to 60%. 40% we are not really getting at all. In spite of that, we are paying total salaries, full salaries to teachers and spent a lot of money to upgrade, to take precautions because it is required. So here, why I am telling these details to you, we are not here to make money. We are also taking the cut on our revenue. So we have to pump in minimum of 127 crores this year.
I really understand that, sir, and I appreciate our university for helping us out amidst this time.
How your parents are suffering, I am also suffering without revenue here. But I am not going back from my responsibilities or providing whatever, how much ever the discount I can able to give, I am giving.
Yes, sir, I understand that. So even if we take the hostel issue aside, not all the students who are from the other states would be able to reside in our hostels because of the capacity there. So most of them will be staying at the PGs outside or will be taking homes. And although we are asking for a blood test report, we will not be asking it every day. So I am negative today, but unfortunately, due to some person being unhygienic in my PG, I get the positive COVID, and but still I'm still asymptomatic, so it is not highlighted anywhere. And in my previous COVID report, I am still negative. So what would happen if I come to college at that time and then other students contradict COVID from me and they spread it to others? So this is gonna become a butterfly effect here, sir. So
Okay, right. If you are in my shoes, what answer you will give?
So if at all I was in your shoes, I would have made it online, sir.
Online, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the option is there. It is up to you. We are not forcing.
We do not have the option of online, sir. All the three options which were there are offline, and
That is the examinations. Definitely, you have to come for offline examinations. Again, in the three options, it is there. You can go for next year.
We can do that, sir, but then especially the final years and the third year students whose placements are a very big priority right now, postponing it for the next semester would not do really good justice at all, especially because they'll have internships.
My dear friend,
Yes, sir.
whole of India, we are only the university first completed final semester for final year students in that in this year, last year, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir,
we
that's
have that concern. See, let us not let us not going on talk. I don't have time. I don't want to continue like this. Discussing about this, I am telling you. I told in previous with when I talking to previous student, I am here. Right.
Yes, sir.
If you don't have confidence, I have confidence. Why should I come to the campus every day here then? What business there are vice chancellor, pro vice chancellor, registrar, directors, teachers, everybody is there. My duty is to provide things. I have provided. Why I am here? To see that this campus should be COVID-19 free.
Yes, sir.
And my kids should definitely have the confidence and come and have the facility, enjoy the facilities of the hostel. Other thing is have the laboratory work offline and classes offline. So that extent only I am here always. You should appreciate that. When I am here a senior citizen, when I am not so, I need not be there, but I am here. When I am a senior citizen, I am always here. Why are you worried? Why don't we have confidence on you?
But right now, the current population in Rewa is around 500,000.
It is up to you. I don't think that we have not at all discussed. We have discussed. I might have done about 200 meetings on this, and in this, lot of people also involved. And they have taken what is the right decision after discussing, taking the opinions from the almost more than 70% people. This decision taken like that.
Yes, sir, but then
I have not taken decision right away on my own.
Yes, sir, you took the decision based on the current population. But then if all the students start coming, 15,000 students, it's going to be 10 times more than the current.
My dear friend, taking all 15,000 number, only we discussed and finally don't question me like this. Because I am talking to you like this, I am giving you so much of time. That's why you are questioning me so much.
No, sir.
Then what? Be responsible.
Yes,
you should understand my pain, my position, and why I am answering you, and why I am here, always here, and why I have to do so many meetings in the interest of students only. I am not here to make money. I am borrowing and creating all these things for the benefit of students only. I am not doing any business here. Try to understand.
Yes, I totally understand, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Next is Rudra from Civil Engineering. Please unmute and speak. Good afternoon, sir. I'm
Good
Rudra.
afternoon.
I'll be representing the Civil Engineering Department. Although most of the concerns are regarding online exams and online classes.
Sorry, I am
Yes, sir.
I am not going to answer for that question.
Yes, sir.
I am not going to answer that question.
So about the classes, we were informed about half a day before the start, and the message that was conveyed to us was that 50% of the classes were compulsory, and if we were not able to attend 50% of the classes.
Right, one second.
Yes.
Who is your mentor and who has sent that message? And that half a day you are telling, send that through your charter box. They can send that message, right?
Sure, sir.
I will send that fellow who had done like that. Thank you.
Okay, sir. So just one more thing, sir, about the hostel fee and the transportation.
I have already answered. I have already answered.
It's a suggestion,
I have
sir.
already answered, my dear
Suggestion
friend. I have answered that.
Okay, sir.
Already.
Apart from that, for that, the transportation and the hostel fees is a request from the parents to
It's
send a
4
mail
o'clock.
to them, because they are the ones who have been who have to take the set aside the money and pay the fees. So there's a lot of contradicting information going around in WhatsApp and other sources. So they are not able
Okay.
to understand which one is.
No, if your WhatsApp messages, other media, if you believe them, do believe. If you believe your mentor or the people from hostel, who are in the management, you believe. It is up to you. Clarity is there in all our messages. If you are believing on WhatsApp and all those things, why I have to answer all those things? Thank you very much.
Sir, it's only because we have been getting mails, parents have been getting assurance mails till October. So, but regarding college opening, the hostel fees and the transportation, they have not been kept informed. That's the only concern the parents have.
See, these things you send in chatterbox. If not answered, I will ask them to answer. According to me, regarding hostel fee, regarding offline classes and examinations, bills are there, clarity is there.
We have received mails only regarding the exams. The classes or hostel fees or the transportation fees, we have not got any mails. Till now.
Earlier we have sent. This mail is about offline examinations. Earlier, offline classes mails were there, and hostel details also were there. This mail is only about only offline examinations. Hostel and online classes, offline classes, earlier already mails sent. Thank you.